Welcome to another ALERE demonstration. In this video, I will discuss controlling who can work with the cloud data published by ALERE. Start by selecting the Extensions tab, and then navigate to Cloud Logins. The Cloud Login screen is used to add cloud data users. Those users can only come from a list of people who have already been set up in ALERE as users. Click on the Add button. Double-click in the User ID field to display a list of present ALERE users. Select which user to add. Enter their full name. On the Companies grid, set access to each company. On the Applications grid, set their access to the available apps. The InTouch Call Sheet app is available in this case. Click the Save button. This person will now be able to use the InTouch Call Sheet with the companies you have specified. That concludes this ALERE demonstration. For more videos, please visit our website.